Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can complete this business ownership worksheet. We've kind of talked about the directions, when it's due, that sort of thing. So in this, I'm just going to kind of show you how to fill this out. I did the first one as an example. You will see this on yours, so you can keep using it as an example. So I did proprietorship. I just was thinking about businesses that I go to in my own personal life. And so I know that where I get my hair cut, she is a proprietorship. She's the one that owns the business. So I went ahead and I put the business name in this column and I just put the place. I don't need an actual physical address. I just need maybe the city or town that it's in and then the state. I give a brief description of what it is. Please put this column in complete sentences, please. I would really appreciate that. And just kind of give a little brief description on what they sell, services that they offer, that type of thing. And then in the picture, this is where I would like their logo. This actually might be the hardest one that you do, just because some of the places that we use might not necessarily be as well known. Obviously, for like a franchise, McDonald's, that could be, a little inspiration for these ones down here. We know that if we look up a picture for that, it's going to be super easy. So if maybe you have one or two that don't have a picture on it, that's okay. So remember how we insert pictures. We go up to our ribbon, we hit insert, we go to image, and then we're going to search the web. Now, I don't think that this one's going to be on here, but I'll try. Rooted Salon and Boutique, Covington, Indiana. No, so it wasn't on there. That's okay. I didn't really think it would be because this is not necessarily a very well-known place. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a Google search. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and go to the images. And this is her logo. And I know this because this is where I go to get my hair cut, so I remember what it looks like. I'm just going to right click over the image, go to copy image, go back to my document. I'm going to right click in the empty box, or I'm going to click and hit Control V, and then I'm going to paste this in here. This obviously is taking up a lot of room, so I'm going to click the image. I'm going to use my sizing handles and make it a little bit smaller. I've also centered it. It kind of looks nice. So that's what you're going to do for these examples. Now, here's what I'm wanting from this. For a partnership, I don't necessarily want you to pick a partnership of a company or a business that's in California. We're in small town Illinois, Bismarck, Illinois. So be thinking about businesses that are in Danville, Champaign, all of those surrounding areas. I went to Covington. I went out of state, but this is within like 30 miles of us. So try and find some places that are local that we might actually shop at. So think about where you go to get your hair cut, where you go to get your groceries, maybe where you get your car worked on, and see if you can't find those. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're just going to type in, maybe, franchises in Illinois. And, obviously we know what a franchise is. I did this one because I didn't want to bring up some of the answers on here, but you could just do like a Google search on that. So that's all for this. Once you're done, you're going to upload this to Google Classroom. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.